Curious goats, more than meets the eye. Goats are fascinating creatures. They are known for their curiosity and their agility. Did you know goats have rectangular pupils? This unique feature gives them a wide field of vision, allowing them to easily spot predators. Goats are very social animals, living in herds which helps them stay safe. They communicate with each other through bleating. Moreover, goats are intelligent animals with excellent memories. They can remember routes and people for a long time. Known as natural climbers, goats have strong legs and hooves, enabling them to navigate difficult terrain. Surprisingly strong for their size, they can pull heavy loads. Goats have a diverse diet. They are herbivores, eating plants, shrubs, and grasses. Their ability to digest tough vegetation makes them adaptable to various environments. Equipped with a 4-chambered stomach, goats can break down food efficiently. Ancient partners: goats and human history. Goats were one of the first animals to be domesticated, around 10,000 years ago in the Fertile Crescent, which includes parts of modern-day Iran, Iraq, and Turkey. They were prized for their milk, meat, and hides. The domestication of goats marked a significant turning point, allowing humans to transition from hunting and gathering to settling in one place, which led to the development of agriculture. Goats became an integral part of early farming systems, providing a reliable source of food and other resources. Goats are mentioned in ancient texts and mythology, appearing in the Bible, the Quran, and Greek mythology, highlighting their significance in ancient cultures. Often associated with fertility and abundance, goats were also seen as symbols of resilience and adaptability. The spread of goats across the globe is intertwined with human migration, as they were traded and transported along ancient trade routes, adapting to a wide range of climates and environments. Goats played a crucial role in the development of human societies, providing sustenance and resources for growing populations. Environmental engineers. Goats and sustainable grazing. Goats are natural grazers and play a crucial role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. Their grazing habits can help control invasive plant species, promoting biodiversity. Goats can also help prevent wildfires by consuming dry brush and vegetation. Well suited to grazing on marginal lands, areas not suitable for traditional agriculture, goats are valuable in arid and semi-arid regions. They can help prevent desertification by controlling vegetation and improve soil fertility through their droppings. Managed grazing with goats can be a sustainable form of land management, helping prevent overgrazing and promoting the growth of desirable plant species. Rotational grazing, where goats are moved between different pastures, is particularly beneficial. Goats can help reduce the need for herbicides and pesticides by consuming weeds and other unwanted plants, thus reducing the reliance on chemical treatments. Goat grazing can be a more environmentally friendly approach to land management, supporting biodiversity and soil health. Versatile providers: milk, meat, and more. Goats are incredibly versatile animals, providing a range of valuable products. Goat milk is highly nutritious, being a good source of protein, calcium, and vitamins. It is also easier to digest than cow's milk for some people. Goat milk is used to make cheese, yogurt, and other dairy products. Goat meat is a healthy and sustainable source of protein. It is leaner than beef and pork and lower in cholesterol. Goat meat is a popular dish in many cultures, known for its unique flavor and can be prepared in a variety of ways. Goats also provide valuable hides and skins. Goat leather is durable and supple, used to make a variety of products including gloves, boots, and jackets. Goat hides are also used to make rugs and carpets, while goat skin is used to make parchment. Goats are particularly important in developing countries, providing a source of income and nutrition for smallholder farmers. Goat keeping is often a more accessible livelihood option than raising larger livestock, as goats are relatively low-maintenance animals that can thrive in challenging environments. Fiber powerhouse: cashmere, mohair, and beyond. Goats are a source of luxurious and versatile fibers. Cashmere is a highly prized fiber coming from the soft undercoat of the cashmere goat. Known for its softness, warmth, and luster, it is used to make high-end clothing and accessories. Mohair, another valuable goat fiber, comes from the Angora goat and is known for its durability, resilience, and luster. It is used to make a variety of products including sweaters, carpets, and upholstery. Goats also produce other types of fibers such as Cashmere, a cross between a cashmere goat and an Angora goat, producing a fiber with the softness of cashmere and the strength of mohair. Pygora, a cross between a pygmy goat and an Angora goat, produces a fine, soft fiber. And Ngora, a cross between a Nigerian dwarf goat and an Angora goat, produces a luxurious soft fiber. Goat fibers are renewable and biodegradable, making them a sustainable alternative to synthetic fibers. The production of goat fibers supports rural communities by providing income and employment opportunities, and is often a traditional craft passed down through generations. Land management. Goats as natural landscapers. Goats are increasingly being used for land management as they are effective at clearing unwanted vegetation, including invasive plants, weeds, and brush. They can access areas that are difficult for machinery to reach, making them valuable for maintaining parks, trails, and other natural areas. Goats help reduce fire hazards by consuming dry brush and vegetation, creating fire breaks, and can also help control the spread of wildfires by grazing on areas that have been recently burned, which helps prevent erosion and promotes regrowth. They can be used to manage vegetation along roadsides and power lines, preventing the growth of trees and shrubs, which reduces the risk of power outages and improves visibility. In riparian areas, goats can help control invasive species. Goats are used for targeted grazing, which involves using goats to control specific plant species, such as poison ivy, kudzu, and other invasive plants. Targeted grazing can be an effective and environmentally friendly way to manage vegetation, reducing the need for herbicides and mechanical clearing. Challenges and solutions in goat farming. Goat farming, like any form of agriculture, faces challenges. Diseases can spread quickly among goats, so proper hygiene and veterinary care are essential. Predation is also a concern, requiring protection from predators like coyotes, foxes, and dogs. Another challenge is access to markets where smallholder farmers may struggle to sell their products. Cooperatives and other forms of collective action can help farmers access markets and get better prices for their products. Climate change is a growing threat to goat farming, as droughts and extreme weather events can impact goat health and productivity. Sustainable grazing practices can help mitigate the impacts of climate change, and drought-resistant fodder and water conservation techniques are also important. Despite these challenges, goat farming offers many opportunities. Demand for goat products is growing due to increasing awareness of their nutritional and environmental benefits. Governments and organizations are supporting goat farming by providing training, resources, and access to markets. Goat farming has the potential to contribute to food security and economic development, especially in rural communities. Economic empowerment through goats in rural communities is profound. Goat farming plays a vital role, providing income and nutrition for millions. They are particularly important for women, who often have primary responsibility for livestock keeping. Goats offer women income and economic independence, proving to be a valuable asset for smallholder farmers. With less land and resources required than larger livestock, and their ease of management, goats represent an accessible livelihood option for marginalized communities. By contributing to poverty reduction and food security and through local processing and marketing of goat products, jobs are created and rural economies are stimulated. Value addition through cheese-making, meat processing, and fiber production can significantly increase income. In challenging environments prone to droughts, floods, and other natural disasters, goats are resilient and provide a safety net for communities, helping them rebuild their livelihoods after shocks. In the realms of science and medicine, goats have made surprising contributions. Goat milk, similar in composition to human milk, is used in infant formula for babies who cannot tolerate cow's milk, and is being investigated for potential health benefits, including anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. In biomedical research, due to their similar anatomy and physiology to humans, goats are used to study diseases like heart disease, cancer, and infectious diseases, and to test new drugs and therapies. Goat antibodies produced against specific targets are used in developing diagnostic tests for diseases like HIV, malaria, and cancer, and are also being investigated for disease treatment. Moreover, goats are explored for their potential in bioremediation, consuming invasive plants and removing toxins from contaminated soil, offering a sustainable approach to environmental cleanup and helping restore degraded ecosystems. Looking towards the future, goats have a bright prospect. As the world faces challenges like climate change, population growth, and resource scarcity, Goats offer solutions with their adaptability, resilience, and versatility, making them ideal for sustainable agriculture and land management. The demand for goat products is expected to continue to grow as consumers seek healthy, sustainable, and ethically sourced food and fiber. Innovations in technology, such as precision livestock farming techniques including sensors and data analytics, will play a key role in enhancing animal health, welfare, and productivity. New breeding technologies will aid in developing goats that are more resistant to diseases and adaptable to changing climates. Goats have the potential to be at the forefront of a more sustainable and equitable food system. By supporting goat farmers, promoting goat products, and investing in research and innovation, we can harness the power of these remarkable animals to create a better future for all. Goats are often overlooked and undervalued, perceived as nuisance animals or only suitable for marginal environments. However, they have much to offer. As efficient converters of vegetation into valuable products, adaptable, resilient, and well-suited to sustainable farming systems, goats have played a vital role in human history. They were one of the first animals to be domesticated and have provided sustenance, livelihoods, and cultural significance to people around the world. Especially in developing countries, goats continue to play a crucial role. It is time to recognize the true value of goats, not just as animals, but as partners in sustainability, economic development, and human well-being. By embracing goats and supporting goat farming, we can create a more resilient, equitable, and sustainable future for all. Goats are fascinating creatures, intelligent, curious, and social. They have much to teach us about adaptability, resilience, and the interconnectedness of all living things. Let us appreciate goats for the amazing animals they are, and work together to ensure they continue to thrive for generations to come.